Hi guys, good day. So this is a continuation on my video yesterday regarding Angesta. But before that, before I start, disclaimer lang, I'm not affiliated to any visa agency here in the Philippines. So I do my own research and totoo lang ang ating i-upload. So, bakit nga ba ako nakapag-upload regarding Angesta? Yesterday kasi may napanood ako dito online telling that mga Pilipinong mga nagtutur sa Japan, mga mayayabang na Pilipinong nagtutur sa Japan. Ganun yung pagkakasabi guys, ginagaya ko lang. Yung mga Jester na yan, pang mayayaman lang na mayayabang na nagtutur sa Japan. So, ayun, okay lang daw yon. So, tapos, kahit na joke yun, diba? Pero parang foul for me yun. So, I comment to that kinds of video guys na in-inform ko yung mga dun sa comment sections na ito yung nasa sakot ng Jesta. In a nice way naman, hindi ako nakapag-away. Kasi nga, misinformation yung video niya, no? Kaya ako nakapag-upload. So, this is a continuation explaining regarding on Jesta. So, Jesta is an electronic system travel authorization. It's like ESTA in the USA. So, there are 74 countries that's entering Japan without having a visa. And we're not part of that. Kasi every time we enter in Japan, we need a visa, right? So, if you're a tourist, you're planning to tour to Japan, you can go straight away or apply online sa VSF Global. Mag-apply tayo doon. May mga slot pa, kung may slot pa, diba? Yan, same pa rin yung proseso, or you can go to the agency like Atik, Rally Tours, ganyan. Same pa rin yung process, guys. You still need a visa. So, we're not included that. So, mga included doon, 74 countries, but I will not tell you all the 74 countries. Sa mga ilan-ilan dyan like US, Canada, Korea, Singapore, ganyan. Marami pang iba, diba? 74 countries nga eh. So, ayun. Kasi every time they enter in Japan, they don't need a visa, diba? So if na ano na yung ngayon, it will implemented pa 2028, pero napasa na ngayong 2026, ngayong March. Diba? So, meron na rin dyan nagpa-pop up na mga website. Wala pa po yan. So, don't click that website or pay anything dyan sa Jesta website na yan kasi fake yan. Wala pa pong website ng Jesta, okay? So, ano-ano nga ba yung gagawin nila? So, before they enter Japan, they need to register their travel, like your passport, information, yung mga ganyan, travel itinerary, how long will you stay, parang gano'n. Yun ang Jesta. So, ina-apply yun through online, electronic nga, diba? So, ayun lang guys. I hope you are not misinformed regarding dito sa Jesta na to. Nothing to worry about guys, wag tayong malungkot. Kung gusto niyo mag-tour sa Japan, push pa yan guys, push lang yan, apply lang, 'di ba? So, for more of this informative videos that I'm doing right now, and I'm sharing it to you guys, don't forget to follow me. And thank you. I hope that